Welcome to Balas's YouTube channel. Before watching the video, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the red button and subscribe the button. Today you'll be studying class 7 Max chapter 3 HCF and LCM part 3 video. So today we'll learn HCF.
Welcome students. So today you will be learning part 3 video. In part 3 you will be learning HCF. Now what do you mean by HCF? HCF is H stands for highest, C stands for common, F stands for factor. That means HCF is highest common factor. Here also there are two methods, in which the first method is your prime factor method. So you want to find HCF by prime factor method. I have written some sums over here which you can see. Let me solve the sums. How to find HCF of 24 and 32 by prime factor method. Now, in the previous video, I taught you how to find the prime factor. So let us find the prime factor of 24 and 32. So I'll solve it here. 24, it goes in 2 table. 2 ones are 2. 4 goes in 2. How many times? 2 times. So 2 2s are 4. 12. So 12 goes in 2 table. How many times? 12 goes in 2 table how many times? 6 times. 6 goes in 2 table how many times? 3 times. 3 goes in 3 table how many times? 1 time. You have to solve this till you get 1. Now next is 32. How many times? In which table you have to write? 32. Unit place is 2. So write 2. So 3 doesn't goes in 2 table. So less than 3 is 2. So 2 ones are 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. So 1 is carried forward here. It becomes 12. So 12 goes in 2 table how many times? 6 times. It becomes 16. 16 goes in 2 table. How many times? 8 times. 8 to the 16. 8 goes again 2 table. How many times? 4 times. 4 goes in 2 table 2 times. 2 goes in 2 table 1 time. So these are the prime factors which we obtain. So let us write here. So 24 is what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then 32, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 33, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 32. Here now we want to find what? The main thing, that is the common factor. Common factor of these two. What is common in both? 2 and 2 is common here. 2 and 2 again common. 2 and 2 again common. 3. 3 is not here. 2. 2 is not here. Finish. So what have you got common? 2, 2 and 2. So write only one time. This is one pair. 2. So write 2, comma, 2 and 2. Comma, 2 and 2. This is the common factor. Now from this common factor, we want to find the HCF. HCF means we are multiplying all the common factors. 2 into 2 into 2. So this is 8. So that means our HCF is equal to 8. Students, just see the sums. How to solve once again. Find the prime factor of 24. Find the prime factor of 32. Then take the common factor. Then multiply these common factors. You get HCF. Let us do the other sum. Now for finding the HCF, we have to find the prime factor. So let us find the prime factor of 195. The unit place we have 5. So I'll take 5. 5 3 is a 15. 19 is there. So I took 5 3 is a 15. So 19 minus 15 is 4. 4 is carryover. It becomes 45. So 45 goes in 5 table how many times? 9 times. 9 5 is 45. It becomes 39. So 39 goes in 3 table. So 3 ones are 3. 9 is there. So 9 goes in 3 how many times? 3 times. 3 3 is 9. Then 13. 13 is a prime number. So 13 goes in 13 table 1 time. So 13 ones are 13. Next, we'll find the prime factor of 312. So 312. In the unit place, the number is 2. So I took 2. 3. 3 doesn't goes in 2 table. So I took 2 ones are 2. 1 balance. Carry over here. It becomes 11. So 11 doesn't goes in 2 table. So we have taken 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. So 11 minus 10, 1. 1 carry over here. It becomes 12. So 12 goes in 2 table 156 times. Then again I took 2 because 6 is in the unit place. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry 16. 16. 8 2s are 16. Then again I took 2. 3 2s are 6. 1 carry 18. 18 goes in 2 table 9 times. Again I took 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 is a 9. Then 13 1 time. Next I'll take this number 546. 546 again 2. So 2 2s are 4. 1 carry 14. 7 2s are 14. Then 6 is remaining. 3 to the 6. It's 273. So 273 again goes in 3 table. How I know that this is 3 table or not? So 2 plus 7 plus 3. So 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 goes in 3 table. So 273 also goes in 3 table. So I took 27 9 times. 9 3s are 27. 3 1 time. 3 ones are 3. Now next is 91. Now 91 goes in 7 table 13 times. 7 ones are 7. 2 carry. It becomes 21. Then 7 3s are 21. 13 goes in 13 table 1 time. So let us write all the numbers. In 195 the number is 5 into 3 into 13. Then 312, 2, 2, 2, 3, 13. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 546, 2, 3, 7, 13. 2, 3, 7, 13. Let us find the common factor now. Now the common factor is 2 is not a common here. 3, 3, 3. 3 is common here. 13, 13, 13. So 3 and 13 are common. I'll write the common factors 3 and 13. Now HCF is, you have to take all the common factors. 3 into 13, that comes to be 39. So HCF is 39. In this way, we have to find the HCF. I'll do one more sum for HCF, finding the HCF. Let us take some easy number. I'll take 12, 15 and 10. So first, for finding the HCF, you have to find the prime number of 12. 2. 12 goes into table 6 times. Again 6 goes into table 3 times. 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. 15. goes in 3 table 5 times, 5 table 1 time. Next 10. 10 goes in 2 table 5 times, 5 table 1 time. So these are the prime numbers which we got from 12, 15 and 10. Let us write here. 12. 12 means 2, 2 and 3. 2 into 2 into 3. Then 15. 3 into 5. Then 10. 2 into 5. What is the common factor here? The common factor is 2, 2, 3. 3 here. There is no common factor here. And all the 3. Common factor is for 12 and 15 is there. For 12 and 10 is there. For 15 and 10 is there. But we want the common factor in all the 3. So from 12, 15 and 10, there is no common factor. So we have to take common factor as 1. So that means HCF is 1. When there is no common factor, we have to write the HCF as 1. Let's take the other number. Let me take 36, 60 and 12. So first 36, 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 12 goes in 2 table, 6 twos are 12. 6 goes in 2 table 3 times, 3 twos are 6. 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. 60, again I'll take in 2 table, 2 threes are 6 and 0. 30 goes in 3 table, 3, 3 ones are 3, the 0. 10 goes in 2 table 5 times, 5 goes in 5 table 1 time. Then I'll take 12, 2 table 6 times, again 2 table 3 times, 3 table 1 time. So let us write the number 36, 3, 2, 2, 3. So 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. 60, 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. 12, 2 into 2 into 3. So common factor. Let's find the common factor in all the 3. Here 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3. I'll write 3. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. I'll write 2. 2 again 2, 2, 2. Common. 2, 2. Again common 2. 3. No 3 is there. No 5 is there. So our HCF is, you have to take all the common factor, that is 3, 2, 2. 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. So 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. So the HCF of 36, 60 and 12 is 12. So in this way we have to find the HCF by prime factor method. I think this is clear for you. Now let us find the HCF for other number by division method. Now the one which we had done is a prime factor method. Now we will do the division method. HCF by division method. How to do by division method? Let's say the first question. Find the HCF of 144 and 252 by division method. Now how to do by division method? Now which is greater, 144 or 252? 252 is greater. So when you divide, you write in this way. The greater number will be inside and the smaller number will be outside. So 252 divided by 144. So 144 goes only one time. 144 ones are 144. Again 144 ones are 144. Let us subtract. So when I subtract it, how much I will get? So here 2 will not go in 4. I'll carry 4. This will be 12, 8, 0, 1. 108. So now what you have to do? Now this 10 will be outside. Again you have to divide by taking this 144. 144 is greater than 108. So I'll take 108. Ones are 108. Subtract it. So here 3 times 14. So you get 6 here and here get 36. Now you have to divide this 108 by 36. Again 108, I extend it. Then now I have to calculate 36 into 3. 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, 108. So it goes in 3 times. So 108, I get 0. We have to do the addition, the division till you get 0. Now for which number we are getting 0? We divided by 36 and we got 0. That means our HCF is 36. That means HCF for 144 and 252 is 36. In this way, we have to do the division method. Let us take the other sum from practice set 12. From practice set 12, let me take one number, that is the first sum 275. In the book it is given as 275 upon 525. Find the HCF of 275 upon 525 by division method. So here let us do the same thing. 525 is greater, I have written inside. 275 is smaller, I have taken as outside. Again 275, it goes only one time, so I written 1. I wrote here 275 here. How? 275 multiplied by 1 is 275. Now subtracting, I get 0 here, 4, 12. So 7 minus 12 minus 5, 7 is 5. Then 4 minus 2 is 250. Now this 250 will be outside, and inside you have to write this number 275. Again 1 times 250 ones are 250. Subtract it, we get 5, 2. Now this 25, again you have to write this 250. How many times it goes? 25 tens are 250. So you get 0 as a remainder. That means because of this 25 you got the 0 as a remainder. That means our HCF for 275 and 525 is 25. So our answer is 25. 25 is your HCF. Let's say again, once again, 275 divided by 525. So 525 I written inside because it is greater. 225 is smaller, I written outside. It goes only one time. So 275 ones are 275. When I subtract it, I got 250. Then 250 I written outside. I am dividing this 275 by 250. I got 250 ones are 250. Then the remainder I got 25. Again 25 is outside. 250 you have to write inside. As I written 275 here inside. Next number is 250. 250 are written inside, divided by 25. Again 25 tens are 25. I got 0. So because of this 25 I got this 0. So 25 is our HCF. Let us do one more sum. Let me take 76 and 133. 133 and 76. Again here, one time 76, subtract it, that 3 doesn't go in 6, so I have to carry here, so it becomes 2 and here 13. 6, 13 minus 6, which comes to be 7, then again this 0, 1, 12 minus 7, which comes to be 5, 57. Now this 76 I have to write here again in this way, 76, again 1s are 57, 1s are 57, separated by 76, subtract it, here 6, 16, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Next, this 57 I have to write it inside, so 19, 3s are 57, I'll write here 3 minus 57, 19 3s are 57, I got 0. Now because of this 19, I got 0, that means our HCF is 19. I think you understood how to find the HCF by division method. If you are confused, you can see the video again and again so that you will learn how to do it. Now from practice set 12, I will do one sum which is based on prime factor method. The seventh sum I will do, which is 42, 45 and 48. You have to find the HCF of 42, 45 and 48 by prime factor method. So first thing you have to do is find the prime factor 42, 45 and 48. So 42, I'll take 2, 4 goes in 2 table 2 times, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 21 goes in 3 table 7 times, 7 goes in 7 table 1 time, 45 goes in 5 table, 9 5s are 45, 9 5s are 45, 9 goes in 3 table, how many times? 3 3s are 9, 3 goes in 3 table 1 time. Then I will take 48, again 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 8 goes in 2 table 4 times, then again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then 2, 6 table, 2, 3 table, 3, 1 table. So I'll write 42 is 2, 3, 7. 2 into 3 into 7. 45, 5, 3, 3. 5 into 3 into 3. 48, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3. Meaning 4 times 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let us find the common factor. Three, 3. Only 3 is common. Here 2 is not there. So common factor is 3. So our HCF is not 3. Sorry, 3. HCF is 3. In this way, you have to find the HCF, that is highest common factor, by prime factor method, and I also taught you by division method. I hope you understood the sums, how to find it. You practice set 12 so that you get more practice. But before doing the HCF, you should know the prime factor.